Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where Snapchat just keeps giving you the error that it's waiting to send. Now, what does that mean? Well, pretty much, let's say you go and take a Snapchat and you go and try to send it to somebody. So you go and take a Snapchat like this and you go try to send it to somebody like Oprah. And for some reason, when it's sent, it doesn't usually say pending. It says waiting to send, or there's some issue like that. Well, I'm going to tell you pretty much the main reason why that happens is pretty much because you have a bad signal or Snapchat is temporarily down. So a great way to tell if it's a bad signal is to hop your way out of Snapchat and make your way into literally any other application. So you can make your way over to your app store. That's typically the application I go to. And I just kind of go through here. And if the app store loads up fine, like it just did for me, and you can click on things, well, you can probably make sure that pretty much determines that it's not an app store problem and it's not a Wi-Fi or data connection problem because you're getting internet somehow. So I wouldn't really worry about that. However, if nothing is loading up and you're trying and nothing is loading up at all, well, then you pretty much found your issue. You have to connect to a better Wi-Fi signal, and that should fix it for the most part. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is making your way back into the App Store like this and scrolling over until you find the search button, clicking on the search tab right there, and typing in Snapchat. Now, what this does and why this works every single time is because if there is an update available for Snapchat, you just want to go ahead and update Snapchat. You may be on an outdated version of Snapchat, and there's really nothing you can do as of that point. So go ahead, update your Snapchat, and you should be good to go for the most part. Now, if you go and update Snapchat and it's still not working, well, the main thing to do as of this point is to make sure Snapchat isn't actually down. Now, what does that mean? Well, sometimes, like any other application, Snapchat, their servers on their backend can actually temporarily go down. So what you would have to do at this point is to make your way over to any other website. You can go to like downdetector.com. That's a website that I go to, and it's one that I probably recommend you going to as well. So making your way over to Down Detector like this, you can go ahead and see if there's any issues going on with, TikTok or Snapchat. And you can see everything seems to be working. There's kind of an issue with Instagram here and there, but that's pretty much the main way to go ahead and also see if Snapchat is down. You can also make your way over to the comment section of this video, sort by the latest comments, and see if that has an issue. And you can also make your way over to Twitter and see if Snapchat is down, it's trending there. Typically, if Snapchat is down, it's usually trending everywhere. And those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If Snapchat is still causing you issues, I'd recommend rebooting your phone or reinstalling Snapchat as of that point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.